Hi everyone. So today we're going to be talking about two very special lines, horizontal and vertical lines. And I'm hoping that like when I say a horizontal line that you're picturing a line that looks like that goes straight across. Mine's not so straight, but and a vertical line going straight up and down, north and south. Today I'm hoping that we can recall some things that you learned in Algebra 1. And there's 3 facts that I want you to walk away with today after watching this video to help you. I want you to be able to say what they look like. If I say horizontal line, I want you to be able to picture that it's something that looks like the horizon. I want you to be able to identify the slope of each, and then also the equation of each of the lines, which is a way to describe it. And we need to make sure we understand the difference between the slope and the equation. Okay, so depending on who you had as a teacher, you might have learned a little mnemonic phrase to help you. I'm going to review it. This mnemonic is hoi vux. And hoi, the H represents a horizontal line. So we have this horizontal line. It has a slope of 0. And its equation, so its name is y equals some number. So whatever y coordinate it passes through. Whereas the vertical line, vux, is a vertical line. It has an undefined slope or no slope, because we can't even ski on it, for goodness sakes. And its equation is x equals a number. And it would be the x coordinate that it goes through. All right, so let's talk about those slopes. A horizontal line, if it's going across just like this, horizontally, that means that there is no vertical rise and no vertical run. So for every vertical, it's not going up, it's just going over, which was why the slope we would say is 0. Whereas this one, going like this, we're not running in any way. We're just rising, going up and down. So that's an undefined slope. All right, so let's look at an example. I ask you to find the slope and I give you the 2 points. So hopefully you're saying, okay, I've got to do change in y over change in x. Or some of you might be saying y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That just means subtract the points. So 5 minus 5 all over 3 minus 2. All right, 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. When we have a 0 in the numerator, we know that that is 0. So we would know that this is a horizontal line. We know the slope is 0. It is a horizontal line. If I asked you for the equation of that line, it would be y equals 5. Notice the y's are both 5. All right, let's try a different example. What if I said to write an equation of a line passing through the points 2, 6, 2, 9? Well, in a previous video and last year, you learned that the minimum you need to write an equation of a line is a point and a slope. So I have 2 points here, so I actually have to find the slope. All right, so I'm going to do change in y over a change in x. I'm going to do y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. Those are the slope equations, or slope formulas. So 9 minus 6 all over 2 minus 2. Uh-oh, 0 in the denominator. We know we can't do that. We can't divide by 0. That gives us an undefined value. So that tells me that this is a vertical line. And its equation would be x equals 2. All right, guys, so this is a really, really important video for you to watch and know and understand. And I want to make sure that, again, you've got those 3 things. You know what they look like, you know the slope of each, and you know the equation, which means how we're going to describe the line. So if you see x equals 4, you need to know that's a vertical line. If you see y equals 7, we want to know that that's a vertical line. All right, have a great night.